Hello and assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are having a good day. If not, then this video will make your day good. Today my mother is going to be making chicken handi. It's a very easy recipe and it's also really yummy. Let's see how is it made. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The ingredients you are going to be needing for this recipe are half kg boneless diced chicken, 2 medium sliced onions, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1 lemon, 6 to 8 tablespoons of green chilli and tomato paste, half cup oil, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon crushed red chilli, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon dried methi. Firstly, you are going to preheat the pan and add oil. Then you are going to fry the onions until they are golden brown. Then you will add the chicken. When the chicken's color starts to change, you are going to add the ginger garlic paste. Going to add the cumin seeds and the salt. Then you will add the crushed red chilli and the red chilli powder. And also the turmeric powder. And then you will add the tomato paste. Then you are going to cover the chicken with the lid for some time. And then add the lemon juice. At last you are going to add the black pepper powder, the garam masala powder and the dried methi.
Wow, Mommy, tasty.
After that, your chicken handi is ready. I hope you guys like the recipe once you make it at your home. Don't forget to give this video a like, share this channel with your family and friends, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you can never miss any video from 5 in Kitchen. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.